Hey there, I'm Francis, Ram expert and commercial sales specialist over here at Goldstein, Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, and this is the 2026 Ram ProMaster. Now this specific model is the Tradesman 2500 high roof with a 159-inch wheelbase. Now I know that sounds like a whole bunch of random labels and numbers, but it's actually only one option out of many that Ram has in the ProMaster lineup. And all of that is to be able to deliver you one clear purpose, a vehicle that has maximum functional and efficient space no matter your needs. Whether it's bare bones or complete custom upfit, the Ram 2026 ProMaster can and will fit your needs. Under the hood, it comes equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine that produces an unsurpassed 276 horsepower that is paired with a 9-speed torque flight front-wheel drive automatic transmission. It'll provide smooth acceleration with efficient power delivery. Adding to that, you have a front-wheel drive layout that will give you fantastic traction in poor weather conditions and allow for a lower cargo floor, making loading and unloading a breeze. Inside this ProMaster, you have 3 different cargo heights, 4 different cargo lengths, you have 3 different series, 3 different models, and 3 different trims, all so you can have this ProMaster built exactly how you need it. The near vertical walls and upfit interface connectors and auxiliary power connectors are favored by upfitters for ease of work. And in combination with the ability to have up to 524 cubic feet in total volume, you have the tallest and the widest standard cargo area in its class. Throw on top of all of that, the payload being up to 4,280 pounds, it is as impressive as it gets. Now matching that type of performance with reliability and safety is where the 2026 ProMaster really shines. The 2026 Ram ProMaster has the benefit of having a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain with a 10-year corrosion protection warranty. That way, business owners can have the protection they need for all unforeseen issues. That way they can keep their vehicles on the road and at the job sites. This vehicle has also been subjected to over 2,000 unique tests in not only labs but also real-world conditions. No matter the job, the Ram ProMaster has your back. While on the way to the job site, whether for your crew or for your small family-owned business, the Ram 2026 ProMaster has you covered and surrounded by safety. From blind spot monitoring to be an extra set of eyes for you, to the adaptive cruise control, helping you out on those long highway roads, the full speed forward collision braking, helping you in the unexpected moments. Also, having aids such as the digital rear view camera, 360 digital cameras, you'll be able to bring it all over the job site despite tight working areas. Then, on the way home, the drowsiness detector will be there for you. That way you can make sure you get home safe and sound. All in all, this 2026 Ram ProMaster really is a sight to behold. From plumbers to caterers or even multi-generational farmers, the 2026 Ram ProMaster has your back, not only in the best of times, but also the worst. From reliability with the torque flight transmission to efficiency with the large Brembo brakes, the Ram ProMaster will be with you now and far into the future. With that, so will we. As long as we have hardworking men and women out there doing the hard stuff, we can easily do our part and keep you on the road. Once again, this is Francis over at Goldstein Dodge Chrysler Jeep and Ram, and this was the 2026 Ram ProMaster.